Recording.
Go for orange. Hey, what are you doing? Fish and wildlife.
This body cam footage picks up as wildlife investigators respond to a tip about an individual harvesting lobster without a dive flag in the Florida Keys.
Hey. Come here.
Hey, FWC, come here. Hey, law enforcement, come here, police.
All right.
Watch it.
Stay there.
Go, go, go,
What's...
go. Hey, stop.
I can't plane.
The investigators were in plain clothes in an unmarked patrol vessel.
Get on body cam. Get him on body cam.
I got him, I got him.
Hey!
Hey! Get me on dock.
Okay. Go.
Back up.
Go. Careful, William. Need a land unit in the area of 95 mile marker. We just had a guy in a kayak flee from us and he's running. He was lobstering and then we identified ourselves and he ran from us.
Stop! Stay law enforcement! Stop! Stop! Hey, good boy, stop! On your hands and knees! On the ground! Hands on your feet, on your face! On the ground, lay down! Stay! Do not move! Do not move! Hands up! Hands behind your back! Roll over. I know, we're gonna stand up. Pull your knees up. Let's go. Whoa. Why are you running? Huh? Why are you running?
I live here.
I don't care where you live. Why are you running?
Sorry, man. Oh, my neck. Oh, shit. Ooh.
Christopher!
William's got him in custody. Hold on. What's the address here? Hold on, I'm getting the address. 1033 right now. What's the address, sir?
Marathon unit, 1033 traffic, 1033 traffic.
Marathon, the address is in Key Largo. We've got one subject in custody that ran from us. Everything's 10-4, but just send somebody, land unit.
Well, it's gonna be tight. They're not supposed to be not tight. You shouldn't run. Senor, aquí. Christopher, I'm gonna have him go here. I'm gonna have him go in here. You want to type up here?
Yeah, just asking him if he got something.
Okay, let's see if he's got any lobster or anything.
Oh.
Speak English?
Yes, he
Yes.
does.
Why'd you run, man?
I don't know, man. Sorry. I just live over there.
Do you have lobster?
Yeah.
How many?
I don't know.
Yeah,
3, 4?
no. He got wrong tails in his pocket.
Okay. Sit him down.
Sit
or
down.
you want to sit him on the boat?
Yeah, I want him on the boat.
Let me get a life jacket in
Yeah.
case he decides he wants to go for another swim.
Any weapons or anything on you?
No.
Sit down. Sit on the edge. Sit down. 1 foot. Yeah, the handcuffs are not supposed to be comfortable.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
He's with you. I'm getting the other
Okay.
one.
Okay. Let me put this
He's
on.
got lobster in his
Don't
locker,
do anything
Chris.
stupid.
No, it's
Chris, you
Why
hear me?
the handcuffs is got me there.
Okay. Well, hold on. If you didn't run,
Nah, I don't run.
why'd you run?
I don't know.
It's a lot. That's a lot worse when you run.
¿Y langosta?
No.
No.
Ya pescar.
¿Lo cap?
Sí. Yo le di la pita y
Is
la
it,
carnada.
hermano?
Sí.
Or for your friend?
I'm a friend.
Okay. Hold on. Hang on one second. I'm going to get a rope. Un momento.
They're in here.
Yeah.
How many? It's tiny.
Yeah.
Anything in the boat?
No.
Just in your pocket? Okay. Stay there. Let me get you.
Give me a rope so I can tie these things.
Yeah. That guy gave me that. There's nothing in it. It's just bait.
He said he's got pescado.
Okay. What you need?
I need a rope. I want to tie these kayaks up to that line right there. So
Okay. Here, I'll give you.
He don't come with me. He's fishing.
He said he's your friend. I know. I know he's your friend. I'm not saying he has langosta.
He don't get any luck. He was fishing.
Okay. Hold on.
Please, the handcuff
Okay,
is
turn
come
around.
Come in the
Which one?
skin. The right one.
This one?
And the left one.
I'm gonna loosen one at a time. Do not do anything crazy.
I don't gonna do nothing.
Okay.
Just a little bit. That's
Better?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let me. I got a double lock thing.
Yeah. The right one's the left.
The okay. No problem. I'm just gonna. I have to double lock so they don't.
All right.
They don't tighten up on you.
Don't worry. I will see the.
Okay. Okay. Better?
Yeah.
Okay. You have Florida license?
Not here.
But not with you, but you have one issued
yeah,
to you?
yeah.
Okay.
I can give you a number if you want.
You have the number?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. That's 10-4.
10-4, 23 just went.
The cuffs are better now? Okay.
Hey, Chris, give me 1 second. Let me see if he dumped any more when he ran.
Okay.
So far, they have found 2 small lobster tails stuffed in the individual's pocket,
So we're doing great.
but the officer who caught him thinks there might be more.
State law enforcement.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Does that guy work for you?
No, I was surprised when I heard that.
Yeah, he came running.
I see you picking him up.
Coming out of his pockets?
Yeah, he dumped him in front. Dude threw his kayak up here, came out the street, fell down here. I hopped the fence and put him down right there.
Where's the boat? Where's the guy?
There, he's on the boat with Chris.
Yes, sir. Oh, nice. Good call. Good catch. I'm gonna need his 27 when you get a chance, so I can put it in the computer. I'm just gonna.
Wipe me down.
Hey, I never had a pursuit in a kayak before. Yeah. Say what?
We have 8 now.
8?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Where did he try to run to?
So he ran out, and then he went 2 houses over, and he was dumping stuff, and he ended up going into a construction site, and then he got pruned out.
Yeah, he's fine. I loosened the cuffs up. He said they were tight on him, so I loosened him up a little bit. He's all right. So we got wrung tails, undersized, over the bag, and flea.
Yep.
Flea and elude. Well, we were right there, and
I wasn't gonna
we told him stop.
You look back.
And he looked back and he kept paddling faster, 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 faster.
Hey, law enforcement, stop. FWC, stop.
So then he came in here,
Stroke.
and I nosed him up, and he jumped off, and the chase was on.
Offense number's been assigned to 9122.
Was that the 24621? Oh yeah, we got 8.
10-4.
Where'd they drop him?
No, we got him.
So he just hauled ass in here, jumped off his kayak.
I've had shrimp bigger than that.
And he just hauled ass, and once he jumped the fence,
He was just twisting them, dude. He didn't have any dive gear, or he had gloves, and that's it. No snorkel gear.
You hit all the UBCs. Did he drop anything
Yeah.
in the water, or just... We couldn't...
No, he was on the kayak when we started coming down the canal, and we said, "Hey, law enforcement, stop." He started paddling. We said, "Stop, stop, stop!" And I didn't want a plane in here because
Well, there is a way you can do it coming from.
no, we were right here.
Yeah.
We were right here. I came in by Silver Shores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know how to get in there. You know that.
Yeah. Well, I called the RP and he led me in. I didn't want to bottom this boat out. It is.
Well, yeah, you got to stay on it till you get to the davits where the.
Chris, give,
Yes.
give me his phone number.
What's your phone number, sir?
Where were you born?
Cuba.
Cuba. Thank you. How tall are you?
5'11",
How much do you weigh?
160.
Where'd you launch the kayak from?
Huh?
The kayak, where'd you put it in the water?
Two house over there. The
Over there?
see the white and pink house.
Okay. Are you working?
Yeah,
Or
we are working on a friend house over there.
you're working on a friend's house?
Try the last name.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present with you during questioning. And are there any more than that?
No, that's it.
That's it? Okay.
Yeah, that was maybe when I'm running. Just police.
We told you.
Yeah, when you told me when you stop, I think it was another person. I don't know.
But why would you run? I mean, we plainly saw the badge and the gun, and I put the blue lights on. Yeah.
No, I'm done with him.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you can tell it to my brother to pick it up.
Either one. Either one. We don't want it.
No, I know.
We're gonna release it to whoever you want it to release to.
Yeah, the house, the White House.
That's fine.
Hey, Chris asked me if he has any more lobster at the house.
No, he said no. He said that these were falling out of his pockets when he was running.
Falling is the understatement. They were being thrown out.
Well, you know.
Rhoda want to go look, or?
Put a pen in there with it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. For sure.
Oh, yeah, you're good. That's it.
For sure.
In Florida, it is illegal to separate a spiny lobster's tail from its body while you are in the water. Lobsters must be landed in whole condition, and once on land, the tail can be separated.
You all right?
Yeah. I twist my neck.
Oh, running?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I got a gauge if you want, Chris.
Nah, it's not necessary. I put it where the 5 is, and they're not even close. So,
A responding officer takes one more look for any evidence.
the lobster violations are misdemeanors, okay? Any marine violation is a misdemeanor. So if you would have stopped and just said, hey, this is what I got, it would have been a lot better for you, you know?
It's that guy's lucky day. I found another one.
Found another one?
Yeah, it's like a... Might be the smallest one. Yeah, I found another one.
Found one more?
Yeah.
No way.
Middle of the chute. It's all on body cam. Walk right up on it.
Really? Come on, man. What are you going to do with that? Honestly.
Eat it?
You're going to eat that. That's like a shrimp. Not even a shrimp. I've eaten shrimp that are bigger than that, sir. Come on, man. Come on. Yep. Good thing you didn't print.
Yeah.
Let me get another pic.
Yeah.
Here you go, Bob. Fishing license, no lobster stamp, no dive flag, no life jacket, no whistle. That. All right, sir. We're gonna get you to stand up. Careful. Your leg all right?
My neck.
Your
Yes,
knee?
sir.
Okay. What do you think, William? Should I back up and maybe use? Well,
Just back up right here and we can put the valve.
There's the short one.
I was gonna say we can use that ladder, but
There's a
yeah, we can boost him up here.
You just back up a little bit. Give me this rope.
No, I can go there.
He said he can go here.
Yeah, but I'm sitting on the.
Just watch your head.
and there's
Sit
another
down.
dock inside of the sea wall.
There you go. There you go.
Watch
I'm gonna help you up. 3, 2, 1. Watch your head. There you go.
Hey, you're holding on to the foot package, right?
I can run again.
The individual was charged with 22 first and second-degree misdemeanors for undersized lobster tails, possession of wrung lobster tails, no measuring device, interference with an officer, and resisting arrest without
You want to hand
violence.
me one of yours for now?
The individual was taken to jail, where he entered a guilty plea to all charges, served his jail time, and was placed on probation. Thanks for watching.